Alik and Nature with Alik. This is like a first day of our
This is our
project.
This is the project to bring beauty and deliciousness and to create Hashem's garden
Yes.
right here in Thousand Oaks, which will provide for generations to enjoy
Meditation
and
Come.
to become closer
To nature.
to your own soul, to nature, and to God,
yes.
and to each other. Mwah.
Okay.
Chayal.
Here we go. October 29, 2021. Starting new dragon fruit garden. Let's do it. The area is very good and clean. Here you go.